ako sa dagat. So, yan. Niyaya ko ng mama. So, yeah. Welcome to the reality show. Well, checking out in here. Like, yeah. So, ilang seconds na siya. Are we gonna like, hey, how many seconds? How many seconds are you still recording, like, for real? Okay. Stopping holding your breath. You know that I am not crazy. You know I am not crazy. Magtubad tayo dito, guys. As in for real. Yeah. Or ganito na lang ako maligo. So, mag-iisip na naman kayo. Ba't ba sa akin, ha? Yung mga utak nyo, libre lang. Like for real. As, yeah, God, there's a monster right in here. A monster. So, yeah. Stopping holding on. I think you I'm crazy. Think I'm crazy. So, i-share ko lang, guys, na meron palang barko dito. So, ito talaga yung pinunta ng mama ko. Mga 3 barko yan. Badyaw. Ito ba yung pinunta naming barko? Like, for real? Badyaw. I don't like it. Yeah. Mga 3 siya. Yeah. So, na all. Tara, puntahan natin. Tara! Tara, puntahan natin. You know I'm not a crazy. Stop for your holding my breath. You taking my breath. Record ko lang yung barko na Badyaw. Badyaw siya, guys. Ito yung pinunta ng mama ko. Like, nanginginit na yung dito ko kasi may tangkap na yun sa dyan, guys. Eh. So, yeah. So, ito na rin. Baka may ginagawa sila. Might they're right in here. So, you could see naman. So, I'm gonna share it. Yeah. Yeah. So, yung dagat pala, guys. Ang dagat. Iikot pa tayo. Ayun lang. So,